In this video, I'm going to present you an interview puzzle which is frequently asked in job interview. Welcome to Simply Logical, this is Venkatesh. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for the newest videos watching. You are given 8 identical looking balls. One of them is heavier than the rest of the 7. All the others weigh exactly the same. You are provided with a simple mechanical balance and you are restricted to only 2 uses. Can you find the heavier ball? Let me repeat the puzzle. You are given 8 identical looking balls. One of them is heavier than the rest of the 7. All the others weigh exactly the same. You are provided with a simple mechanical balance and you are restricted to only 2 uses. Can you find the heavier ball by using only 2 uses of the mechanical balance? Feel free to pause the video and try yourself before checking the solution. Let's everyone know your answer in the comment section. Let me explain the solution now. For convenience sake, let's name the balls 1 to 8. First, we weigh 1, 2, 3 on the left and 4, 5, 6 on the right. This is the first measurement. There are 3 scenarios which can arise from this. Let's consider the scenario 1. If the left side is heavier, then we know that one of 1, 2 or 3 is the heavier ball. Now in the second measurement, weigh 1 on the left and 2 on the right. We will know if 1 or 2 is heavier. If they balance out, then 3 is the heavier one. Thus, heavier ball is identified by exactly 2 measurements in this scenario. Let's consider the scenario 2. If the right side is heavier, then we know that either 4, 5 or 6 is the heavier ball. Now in the second measurement, weigh 4 on the left and 5 on the right. By doing this, we will know if 4 or 5 is heavier. If they balance out, then 6 is the heavier one. Thus, heavier ball is identified by exactly 2 measurements in the scenario 2. Let's consider the final scenario, that is scenario 3. If 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 balance out, then we know either 7 or 8 is the heavier one. Weigh both of them to find out which one is heavier. Again here, heavier ball is identified by exactly 2 measurements. Let me summarize. The first step is determining which set of 3 balls contains the heavier one. So choose balls 1, 2, 3 and balls 4, 5, 6 and weigh them. If one set is heavier, save those 3 balls. Pick 2 balls and place for measurement. By doing this, we will know which one is heavier. If they balance out, then other is the heavier one. If neither side is heavier in the first step, proceed with balls 7 and 8. In the final weighing, weigh both of them to find out which one is heavier. By following these simple steps, we can find which ball is heavier in just 2 measurements. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support.